Hi, this is Kimberly, and I would like to welcome you back to my channel, Bookkeeping Journey, where I share my journey towards building my bookkeeping business. In today's video, I have Wanda from LegalShield, who will be giving us a presentation about LegalShield and what they offer, and what it includes for your business and for your family as well. Let's go to hear from Wanda.
Hi, I'm Wanda Pearson. I'm with LegalShield, and I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I work for IBM. I was in corporate for 36 years. Yeah, I started when I was a baby. So I worked for 36 years for IBM, and then I decided that I wanted to get out of corporate because I had that old pension plan, thank God, to be able to get into our business, which we started 22 years ago. This year it'd be 22 years. Which was called previously Prepaid Legal. Prepaid Legal, when we were in New Jersey, we started it because we thought it was a great service for family, friends, businesses to be able to have access to an affordable legal protection service. So when we started it, I told my husband, I said, that's a good service to get into because a lot of us can't afford that high cost of an attorney, right? So we decided to get into it 22 years ago. My husband had his own business, and then IBM relocated us here to Atlanta. So I've been married. God, I'll be married 38 years this year. 39 years, Lord. 39 years this year. And I have 2 grown married daughters, and then I have 6 grandchildren. So I started when I was young. I was a baby when I was young. So, but I'm enjoying it. So what I did 2 years ago, it will be 3 years this year, I decided, okay, I've had enough of corporate. Let me get into our own business. So I said I didn't have the age to retire. My husband, I told him, you still got to work, honey, because I still need your benefits. So I got into LegalShield, which actually turned from prepaid legal to LegalShield. So he told me, Wanda, you have a business to get into. So I said, okay, but the thing about it, and I'm leading up to why I actually decided to do this, because I wanted to help people. My biggest thing, I wanted to help make sure that everybody can afford the legal protection that they needed, okay? Individuals, because a lot of times they say, I'm going to get my lawyer, but we don't have a lawyer. But this time we made something affordable that's out here that we can actually use. We can actually utilize. Well, we do have a lawyer. We do have somebody who can fight our battles. We don't have to fight it on our own. We just turn it over to our attorney. LegalShield is formed with the law firms all over 50 states, including the 5 provinces of Canada, including the UK. So we decided that this is something that we wanted to do. So like I said, I started out with helping families, but this year I want to make sure I help businesses, okay? So businesses such as, everything that's happening today, we don't know what we're going to get into, but what is your passion? I'm sure it's time for you to get into your own thing, right? You don't know if you're going to have a job tomorrow or whatever. Now is the time we all work from home. Let's start thinking about the passion that we've been wanting to do. So starting your own business is kind of difficult, right? We don't know what we want to do. We don't know how we want to do it. You need an attorney to help you navigate that process, right? So some of the questions business owners may have, including those pertaining to legal matters. So all business owners must understand what laws, because we don't understand the law, we're not lawyers, concerning the company that they want to create or exist, that their company, and what to do in case litigation is brought against it. So a lot of us can't afford that litigation cost. So that's why it's always good to have that attorney. LegalShield is a great company, and it's been around since 1972. So it's something that we can actually count on, as far as getting that peace of mind. So since every company is unique, it's important to seek the help of an experienced attorney to find the answers to all of our questions. So you're probably wondering, how do I form a business as far as a legal entity, right? Which one you should use, one you could use, right? Do you want to get an LLC? Are you self-employed? Are you a sole proprietor? Or are you still doing business as a sole proprietor? That is something that's very important. Do you realize that you need to separate? And this is what I had to end up doing, like separate and protect your family from the IRS taking all of your assets. I had to decide it's time for me to rebrand myself. So I got my LLC last year. And I'm rebranding myself to not only do LegalShield, but also other adventures that I'm doing in my business. So LegalShield has that solution by getting launched by LegalShield that will help you get your LLC, plus include, well, I'm going to tell you this when I go with my presentation. So Elizabeth, I'm going to share my screen now and let you know. And
go
I'm
ahead.
going to talk to my screen.
Yeah,
okay.
that's fine.
Okay.
I'm excited.
So Legal Shield is actually, it's funny how I actually just got into this last year, because I actually partnered with realtor Keller Williams, and one of my clients asked me to help one of her clients to get an LLC. So I had did my own. I called the law firm. They told me what to do, whatever. But when I started getting into this particular one, the launch by LegalShield, that was something. Oh my God, all businesses need to know about this, right? So you're going to be excited when I tell you exactly what is included. So, what is your passion for starting a business? That's what I always start with. What is your passion? What do you want to do, right? Do you want to form a business formation? I mean, the thing is, launch by LegalShield is something that's very easy to do. It's easy, it's fast, and it's secure. And it actually helps you form your services that which are included in a consultation with an attorney, preliminary name check. I'm gonna tell you, when I did my LLC, I came back, oh my God, the state came back 2 or 3 times because the name that I wanted was taken. So with Launch by LegalShield, the attorney does all of that for you. You just ask a few simple questions, and then they actually go from there. And they actually go to the state and say, is this name available? They do all the work for you. That's why I said it's smart, fast, and secure. They also help you with your articles of organization and corporation based on the business type. So whatever business type that you want, they will help you. Even if you haven't got that name of that business you want to form, they actually help you to say, okay, tell me what you're trying to do. What do you want to do? That is what an attorney does for you. So we have a business attorney in our law firms that will take you to that next step. Another thing, and I'm actually going to go through here, is I said, start your business today. Like I said, we all have a passion. We have to do something that you always wanted to do, even if it's selling, earrings, selling, helping people, coaching, anything like that. So the good thing about it, it's a straight and simple, straightforward process. It's fast and it's affordable, right? Well, like I said, you start by answering a few simple questions, and then what happens is they will actually help you to select that business entity, and your attorney will file all the necessary paperwork for you and send it to the state. And you automatically receive your business document in the mail. So you say, well, what do I want to be an entrepreneur? Do I want to be self-employed? What do I want to do? A business owner, own my own boss? How do I want to do it? How about what I'm telling you, it costs $145? You said, what can you get an LLC for $145? LegalShield has it. Launched by LegalShield has it. And that's why we said we want to make sure that all businesses are protected and that we're able to afford to do it. I don't know about you, but I know my managing partner at the law firm I am, he said this will cost like $1,000. One of my other friends said, Wanda, getting the LLC will cost about $1,000. That's what it will cost me. When I told them it was $145, they was like, what? So I've been getting a lot of people like, how do you do this? What do I need to do to get it for $145, right? So I'm going to show you how you can get it for $145. First of all, you will sign up under our website, which is on the screen. Start your own business, right? Second, you will actually start by answering a few simple questions about yourself and your business. Third will be your attorney will prepare and file all necessary forms with the state. I'm repeating myself because I want to make sure you get it, right? So you get exactly what they're going to be doing. You're not doing it all. You're not in this all alone. You got somebody to help you, which is an attorney. Your attorney will get your EIN number from IRS. Let me tell you what happened with me. Even though I got my LLC last year, I never got my EIN number. I actually just got my EIN number like last week. So the attorney would do all that for you. That way you got everything in place to start your business and you're protected. And I want to tell you, getting that LLC is so important. Like I said, you want to separate your family from your business, right? So that's something that you really need to think about. Then you automatically receive your final business documents in the mail. Wow. And it takes less than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I mean, it's very, very fast. Now, you do have to pay a separate fee to the state it applies. Here in Georgia, our fee was like $100 to get, you got to pay a state. State always want their money. So you pay the state the $100 and you would actually get your articles of organization. I'm going to show you a testimony right after this here. So, by the way, did I say this includes 3 months of LegalShield membership? home-based or small business membership, right? I mean, I'm going to tell you exactly how this goes here. You're going to see exactly how affordable. So let's say you want to open up a brick and mortar business, right? We always say legal protection for your business is vital. It is vital because you have to make sure you get everything in place. You get so many benefits with this. And I'm going to go over the benefits in a minute. But brick and mortar business, $39 a month. $39 a month, that would actually get you 3 months. Remember I said it's 3 months? So that equals $117. Now, how much did I say that costs to get your LLC? $145. So what? The attorney is doing it for like, less than $50, right? So you're getting your LLC plus you're getting 3 months of your membership included in this $145. Now, thereafter, the fourth month, you definitely have to start paying that $39 a month, but you do not want to get rid of this because I'm going to show you the benefits that you're getting with this as well. So the next one, this is a brick and mortar, and I'm going to show you the home-based business supplement. The home-based business supplement is your LegalShield membership, which includes your family. So in order to get a home-based business supplement, like most of us are working from home, that is $24.95. $24.95 includes, LegalShield. I don't know if some of you know what it includes, but actually it's advice and the same thing here, advice and consultation, unlimited, letters written on your behalf, contract document reviews, the same thing that's happening with the brick and mortar, you get that. But I'm gonna tell you, a lot of the businesses don't call an attorney because they cannot afford it. So by having that peace of mind to be able to call an attorney anytime you want to, and we only charge $39 a month or $34.90 a month, that is a big asset here. So let me tell you some other benefits of what LegalShield covers. Contract document review. Let's say you have a contract document review, up to 15 pages each. Now, a lot of things is happening with the small business loans that they're giving out here. You got to make sure you really know small prints. This is where LegalShield, our law firms, will review their documents that we don't see those little fine prints. So that is a benefit in itself. I mean, I don't know if you know how much it costs just to send something to an attorney. $250, and I'm doing on the low end here. $250 an hour. Here you're getting it for $39 or $34.90. 24 access, and this is just for the personal plan. And the brick and mortar, you're actually getting these benefits here, but you're also getting with that debt collection letters. Let's say someone owes you some money. The debt collection letter, they will send out debt collection letters. So for the business, brick and mortar, you get up to 5 debt collection letters a month. And for the home-based business, you get up to 3 debt collection letters a month. So anybody that owes you money, and I actually have this form that I always put up on here. See this? 101 reasons, probably backwards. 101 reasons why you should use LegalShield for your business as well as for your home. I'm just going to pick out a few of these here. A customer has published online complaints against you. That's one. You have decided to form an LLC, which is what I'm talking about here. You are unsure about forming a C Corp, S Corp, or LLC, which is what I'm trying to tell you here. You need an assistant collecting the debt, which is what is included in here. You have a contract agreement that is being challenged. Now that happens a lot. That's why we want to make sure we got our protection. That's just a few of the 101 reasons why we use that. But let me tell you something else that actually is included in this family plan. It includes your entire family for that $24.95. And I'm getting to that because I want to show you how this $34.90 works up here. Your will, that's my passion. Your will, your estate plan, your healthcare power of attorney, what is going on here today? We need to make sure that we got our stuff in order, right? We got to leave our legacy. Your will is included in that $24.95 plan. Residential loan document, let's say if you want to buy a house, that's included in your $24.95 plan. The biggest thing that I love is actually everything is on the phone. You can tap that app, and you can actually tap the app, call the law firm, tap the app and start preparing your will. Tap the app, and actually you get a ticket. You get a speeding ticket. I got a ticket about a month ago. You actually take a picture of that ticket, send it to the law firm. They call you the next morning. I mean, right there, I don't know if you know how much a speeding ticket costs. They call you the next morning. It happened to me. They called me the next morning, and mine was actually hands-free. I had my phone. I was putting it up, and the cop was sitting next to me. I didn't even know he was there. But it happened to me. That attorney called me the next morning and said, Wanda, you know that's the point of your license. I said, I know, but I was just putting my phone. He said, doesn't matter. As long as it's in your hand, you get a ticket. So he said, well, what we'll do, just go buy another hands-free, and we'll go to court, and we will actually have that dismissed. Okay. So I said, okay. So he said, well, you want me to go to court? I said, yes, I want you. Look, you're my attorney. I want you to go to court for me. I'm talking about this here. I want to make sure that you know that this works. So that's that peace of mind that you get. So that is included in your $24.95 plan, among other IRS. What if you're audited, right? That's included in your family plan, your home-based business, right, and your brick and mortar business. So that is included in there. But on your family plan, you do get your trial defense. That means if you are named in a civil lawsuit, you are they actually go to court for you. You get up to 60 hours a month. So Elizabeth, I'm actually intertwining the LegalShield membership along with that business. I just wanted them to understand what the $24.95 plan is. But they go to court for you. Yeah, they go to court for you. So it's just something that everybody needs. Like I said, it's something that we don't think about, and we say, oh, I do it now, I do it later, but it's better to do it now. I always say be proactive instead of reactive, right? Because what happens is I've gotten a lot of calls and, you remember you told me about that? I got a speeding ticket. I meant to sign up. I said, yeah, that's a pre-existing condition. Now, the law firm will still help you, but as far as going to court, that may cost you that 25% discount. The good thing about this trial defense with the business and with the home business writer is that you never pay the full cost of an attorney. Everything that I just mentioned as far as your benefits, if it's anything outside of that, which a lot of it's already included, you get a 25% discount. So you're never paying a $250 an hour fee again. You always get a 25% discount. But the lawyer would tell you if that's included in there. So 3 months of membership, and here's the home-based business writer. Same thing, what I just went over with you, that's included as well. $34.90 a month. So you're getting your family plan, which includes your whole family, with kids up to 26, living at home, never married, plus that home-based business supplement is $9.95 a month, right? You add the two of those together, it's $34.90 a month. Is that peace of mind? Is that something that will actually help you to make sure that you have this, even after you got your LLC? So 3 months is $104.70, right? $105. So what did I say how much the LLC costs? $145, right? That LLC will cost $145, including these 3 months membership. And after that, thereafter, you pay either the $39 for the brick and mortar, or you pay the $34.90 a month. So something that we can all use. So I just want to give a little testimony here with some of the people, what they said about this. And you probably can't see it that well, but I am so excited to be working with Wanda Pearson. Wanda and LegalShield with this, no fuss, to get a PLC package for just a few dollars a month. They do it all for you. That's from my girlfriend, Angie Sims. Christine Powers, it took her a while, but she finally got her own niche as far as what businesses she wanted. She wanted to get her Powers estate sales. Christine got this, and she said, oh my God. So this is her testimony. Launching a business has never been easier. She's had a lot of businesses, and she said this was the easiest I ever had to go through. We have all the necessary documents in order. Contact Wanda Pearson with LegalShield and ask about their business launch package. Wanda is so helpful and passionate about what she does. I am very passionate. I definitely make sure that my clients are happy. Something happens, I want to know, I will call a law firm for you because I want to make sure that they're taken care of. That's the difference between me and other salesperson, because I am passionate about what I do. So this is a letter that came in from Launch by LegalShield. Dear Christine, we have received the file articles back from the Secretary of State. We're going to prepare the rest of your documents and will be shipping your order soon. If you need copies of what we have received, please contact your law firm. He gives a number. You're Launched by LegalShield team. This is actually, this was like such a pleasure to me because I know I did something right. I know Launched by LegalShield had done something right. The Launched by LegalShield is a LegalShield product. Now I talked to the managing partner, and he said, this is not their product, but they do it because the business attorney has to get involved with this here. So that's the good thing about having this here. So I always say, get help protecting and growing your business with the LegalShield business plan. It is so important. I don't care if it's home-based business, something that you've been having a passion about, whatever God's been put on your mind to do, get it done. Do it. That is the best thing, because then you have your own. Because I tell you, I didn't know what I was going to do when I retired. I was not a salesperson. Okay. I was really more like a social worker. I worked at IBM with the finance administration. This was all new to me. So by us already having a business, and my husband said we had a business, I just kind of got out there and had to learn how to network. So now they call me the networking queen, which I said, I don't know if that's good or bad, you know. So, but what I'm going to do is actually share another screen with you with my short video, and I will be done. But I just wanted to share what I had to share with you here. And I think this will tell you all just exactly what I just told you here. So let me share my screen. And I am hoping that this works, Elizabeth.
Thinking of starting a business? Ready to turn your hobby into a business? Launch by LegalShield is the smarter, better, faster way to start your business in any state. Starting a business is a big deal, and that's why we provide the tools to make the process painless. And unlike competitors, we integrate a lawyer into the process to make sure you get the advice and guidance you need to start your business the right way. With Launch by LegalShield, you get a 3-month LegalShield membership, so you'll have direct access to a dedicated law firm as you start your business and beyond. Whether you're looking to form an LLC, corporation, or a sole proprietorship, we make it easy with our online questionnaire. And you have access to a dedicated law firm to answer any questions you may have. Here's how easy it is to start your business with Launch. First, complete the online questionnaire. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Next, select the package that best fits your needs and review your answers. After you place your order, you'll receive a call from your lawyer within 8 business hours or less. Your lawyer will review your answers and paperwork with you, as well as answer any questions. After your consultation, the attorney will review your answers and documents, and we take care of the rest. We'll handle the filing with the state. Your new business documents will arrive at your door. And congratulations, you're in business. Once your business is formed, your law firm can help you with any legal questions that come up and help you avoid common pitfalls that can happen when you don't have a lawyer on your side. Your law firm can review contracts, answer employment questions, help with debt collection, and more. You have unlimited consultations for your business, so call anytime. Your dedicated law firm is there for you every step of the way. Through our legal services, we protect and empower 4.15 million lives. We have top law firms throughout the U.S. and lawyers that average 22 years of experience. Rest assured, you're getting quality legal advice through a top law firm that's dedicated to you. If you want to get your business started the right way, use Launch by LegalShield, the smarter, better, faster choice.
Hey,
It worked. Yeah, I saw everything. Yeah.
Good.
But one thing you didn't mention though, Wanda, you all only do for USA, or do you do for other countries as well?
Yeah, we actually do it for the 50 states in the U.S.
Right.
as well as the 5 provinces of Canada and the UK. So we're actually branching out to other countries, as you know. We're, legal wise, you got to make sure it's all together. So, but all 50 states, and the thing about it, like New Jersey, we came from New Jersey. New Jersey makes us have a license. Okay, so we got to apply for license. There's only a few states because they're dropping down. We have to pay for their licenses. So Virginia and Tennessee, South Carolina, we had to get a license to sell our membership there. But ID Shield, and I didn't mention about ID Shield. That's another interview that we need to do later.
Yeah,
that's one of the ones. Oh my God, that's really bad, today. But we do all 50 states, and Canada and the UK. So the UK just came on October, and I think last year, and then Canada just came on in October. So we're slowly but surely getting into all those different countries. So, yeah.
Oh, good. At least I got that one in. Well, thank you so much, Wanda. That was very informative. No matter how much times I watch your presentations, I always learn something new. And I will always talk about LegalShield because I think you have a brilliant business going on right here. Yeah.
Well, thank you.
And then
Thank you.
and the thing is that what I love is that you are, like you said, you're passionate, but I don't even think your words saying that you're passionate really expresses your passion, because that's what
Yeah.
I fell in love with when we first did our virtual call. You were just so passionate and just so in there, and you were ready to just listen to me. I have to always remember to just calm down.
Yeah.
And we didn't even get to finish our call after.
Yeah.
But it was, I had, I just like your energy. And I am very happy to be able to share this on my channel today. Very, very happy.
Oh, I am so happy. I'm so happy that I met you, Elizabeth, and actually being a part of the international. So yeah, we definitely have to continue, because I love to talk.
Me
I
too.
love to share.
Yeah.
So anything I can do to help people, help you. But like I said, I still got that social work mentality,
Yeah.
and God has always put that in me. So I just, my whole thing is that I ask God, help me to help others. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So whatever I say, help me to get through to them, to let them know, that I'm here to help. So it's not about selling the memberships, it's nicer, but it's about making sure that they got what they need. And
Yeah.
everybody deserves to have that legal protection, to have that peace of mind, because a lot of us, you don't want to do things when things happen to you, you want to do
Mm-hmm.
it before and
Yeah.
be
Be
prepared.
prepared. Yeah.
Yes, 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 definitely. And that's your legacy. Now,
Yeah.
remember that you got your businesses. Also, your businesses should go into your will, your estate plan, because
Mm-hmm.
you want to leave that legacy to your family. Okay. A lot of people say, I don't have anything, no, you do have something. You do have something. And think about your kids. That's another thing. So, yeah, that's another whole thing that I, it's that, yeah, you should go back on my videos. I've done all of those as far as
Yeah.
live on Facebook. I didn't think I would be doing this, Elizabeth. I said I would never do Facebook Live. Look what's happened. Look what happened with virtual now. Now I've become the virtual network queen that I didn't
Yeah,
expect
you
to.
are. You are. Listen, the amount of lives that you are on, I have to really keep track. I have to learn from you now.
I know. God just put me in the different places,
Yeah.
and actually, this one young lady, and I don't mean to take up your time,
Yeah.
but she called me last week and she said, Wanda, God put you on my mind. And I was like, okay. And I didn't really talk to her that much, but she asked me to be part of their collaboration book. And that's one of my aspirations that I've been wanting to do, my
Remember you
affirmation.
told me
So
that. Remember you told me
yeah,
that. You were talking about that when we first met. Wow.
yeah. And
Wow.
I didn't expect to do that. So I said, okay, Lord, you're speaking to me to tell me my
Yeah.
struggles that I've had, because I've had struggles.
Yeah.
I didn't get to where I'm going now. I've had
Correct.
struggles, and that's what she wants us to tell in this book, the struggles we have. So it's a collaboration, and then eventually I am going to be writing my own book to really tell about the whole story. So.
I guess that's how we all get forward, when we learn to collaborate with others and really help each other while we go forward, because it's all about bringing along that other person. Because when you get to the top, when you get to, and the top is like your goal, when you reach your goal of what, you can look back and say, wow, well, look, I am here and I got to help this person there, and I got to help that person there. And to me, that's the drive that really gets you every single day. And that's why I totally, completely love the chapters that we are in, because you really get that. You get that community. And I definitely have to get Terry Lee on here. Definitely.
Yes, you do. You do. I love, because I did an interview with her last Saturday,
I was there. I told you, I follow you. I'm like your online stalker.
Good.
I am there to
That's
always,
right. You sure was there. Yeah.
I always have to make sure that I support you. I might put this in as well, because people have to see you away from just the presentation. I like to, for my channel now, I like my audience, as little as there are, to see the real me, to see the real people that I have. Whoever I bring on my channel, they have to be authentic. It can't be somebody that I know that just come to sell something. They have to have that personality of, I want to help you. So those are the type of people that I'm seeking out. And that came from the idea of really loving LegalShield and just wants to tell everybody. And I'm like, I can't do it. Realistically, me telling somebody about LegalShield, I can't do it. It's like, somebody else is not a bookkeeper telling you about bookkeeping. Like, it's not going to really come over like how it's
Yeah.
supposed to, you know. So
Yeah.
that I'm super excited about sharing this. I'm so serious.
Thank you, honey. I appreciate you doing it. I mean, I just met you last week and you said, I want you
I
to come
know,
on.
right?
You know, I just want to share. So thank you
Yeah,
so much. Yeah. See, God put you in my life for a reason,
yeah,
us in each other's life, you know. And like I said, it's just really about sharing what I have and what I know. I mean, like I said, LegalShield got so many other products
yeah.
that you would not believe. I mean, they have grown, you know, from years, and it's just really sharing it. And that's why they don't do it on TV. They have us go out there and
So
share.
that's the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about LegalShield, I will have Wanda's information in the description below. And if you like this video, if you like what Wanda is offering, you can put a comment about it in the comment section below and let us know what you like about the presentation and how you realize that it can help you, your family, and your business. I want to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure that you subscribe to that channel, press that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.